Hello, smart investors. Did you know that Nigeria imported over $600 million worth of palm oil in 2025? Now, let me ask you this question. How does a country like Nigeria, blessed with fertile land, steady rainfall, and a long history of palm oil production, end up importing over $600 million worth of palm oil in a single year? Now, this figure is not small. At an exchange rate of about 1,500 naira to $1, that's roughly 960 billion naira, leaving the country just to buy a product we should be producing locally. What does this tell us? One thing very clearly: demand is far greater than supply. Nigeria consumes more palm oil every year than it currently produces. Local plantations cannot meet the needs of household, food processors, cosmetics companies, soap manufacturers, and industrial users. The shortfall is covered by imports, and that gap keeps growing. Now, this is where smart investors should pay attention. Every time Nigeria imports palm oil, someone else earns that money. Not because they are smarter, but because they already own a productive plantation. Now, palm oil is not a seasonal trend. It's a daily necessity. It's used for cooking, food processing, soaps, cosmetics, animal feeds, and even bioenergy. Now, demand is constant and is predictable. So when you hear that Nigeria imports $600 billion worth of palm oil in 1 year, what it really means is this: there is a 960 billion naira market opportunity the local industry has not filled. Oil and oil plantation isn't about guessing prices or timing the market. It's about positioning yourself within an already proven demand. Those who own productive plantations earn from this demand year after year. Those who delay simply keeps paying higher prices for the same products. The real question isn't whether demand exists. It clearly does. The question is whether you want to own a share of that demand or continue watching billions flow out of the country. Now, for anyone thinking long-term, safe and sustainable investment, this is the bigger picture investor should focus on. And that is why we are here to guide you on how you can secure a sustainable, a transgenerational wealth creation through owning share of the plantations, where you can get 1 acre, 1 hectare, 5 hectares, 20 hectares, 100 hectares, 100 acres, depending on your budget. Now, you can call the number on your screen and we'll tell you more about this investment opportunity in our DMs. Now, don't forget, with 1 plot of land, you can get 10 palm trees planted on it. With 1 acre, you can get 60 of the palm trees planted, and with 1 hectare, you can get 150 of palm trees planted on it. And in the next 4 years, you begin to reap millions of naira, depending on the size of your investments.
They said agro real estate don't deliver, so we decided to answer with evidence. This is Palmrich Estate Phase, and today, this is not a promise. This is harvest. At Asset Rise Limited, we didn't just sell a vision. We built the farms, we nurtured the crops, we stayed consistent, and now we are harvesting the result. This is the first set of palm harvest at Palmrich Estate Phase, and for us, this moment means one thing: credibility. Our investors trusted the process, and now the process is speaking for itself. This is what accountability looks like, this is what structure looks like, and this is what delivery feels like. Because when you partner with Asset Rise, you're not buying hope, you're not buying hope, you're buying into a system that works. Palmrich is producing, Asset Rise is delivering, and the proof, it is here. At Asset Rise Limited, we build what we promise, and if it is Palmrich, it is credible.
So my smart investors, you can call your gear GT Estate and Properties. You know what we do, always giving you the best real estate investment opportunity. If you find this worthy of your investment, call us and let's show you how you can own your own plantations, and we can help you manage it till you start producing fruits and oil.